Hello guys, I'm Oz, Thai live in the United States. The menu today, I'm going to cook barbecue sauce in pork rib. Okay, I'm supposed to say pork rib with barbecue sauce. Now is about 2:30, which I supposed to boil the rib earlier, and I will leave it for 3 hours with slow heat and not slow heat, sorry, low heat, and then I will start cooking at 6 o'clock. Also today I'm going to to make my own garlic butter bread. I don't make the bread, I make the butter. I normally make the garlic butter by toast the butter and then butter on the toast, adding garlic powder or sometimes fresh garlic and seasoning with dried herb. But I was watching on YouTube many chefs show how to make the garlic bread, so I will try my first today, which I use the dry herb I have, whatever I have. I don't use following on YouTube at all because I don't want to go shopping new things. Most video I was watching used French bread, but I don't have, so I use regular bread. But I thought about next time I will buy the French bread. It's so hard for me to say that word, French bread. Okay, I will buy that bread and make the garlic butter bread again, as the French bread look thicker than regular bread. So I have some left of the butter which I keep in the refrigerator, and I think I will make again very soon. That is all I would like to tell you and show you. It is not bad at all, just only my husband said I add too much garlic. I will add less next time. Thank you for watching, and please keep watching to the end of the video. Have a good meal, everybody. Bye.